1, 0. All engine running.
For more than half a century, the world has celebrated the Apollo moon landings as the pinnacle of human achievement. But behind every giant leap, there are shadows and questions that refuse to fade. Did NASA really land men on the moon, or did they orchestrate the most elaborate hoax in history? Tonight, we peel back the layers of mystery, myth, and manipulation. This is the untold truth behind the moon landing hoax theories, what NASA isn't telling you. July 20th, 1969. Over 600 million people watch as Neil Armstrong takes that historic first step. The world is united in awe, but almost immediately, whispers of doubt begin to spread. Why do some shadows in the photos run in different directions? Why does the American flag seem to flutter as if caught by a breeze on a world with no air? And why, in a sky untouched by Earth's atmosphere, are there no stars in the astronauts' photos? Conspiracy theorists claim NASA staged the landings on a secret set. Some say in Hollywood, others whisper about Area 51. They point to alleged inconsistencies, shadows that don't run parallel, flags that appear to wave, the absence of stars, the lack of a deep crater beneath the lunar module. Some even suggest legendary filmmaker Stanley Kubrick was recruited to create the illusion, fresh off his work on 2001: A Space Odyssey. But perhaps the boldest claim, that over 400,000 scientists, engineers, and astronauts maintained a perfect silence for decades, hiding the truth from the world. Could such a massive secret be kept for so long, or is the truth far simpler? Let's examine the evidence behind the most persistent claims. Shadows. On the moon's uneven surface, shadows appear non-parallel due to perspective, a phenomenon well known in photography and art. Waving flag. The flag had a horizontal metal rod. When astronauts twisted the pole into the lunar soil, the flag rippled. With no air to dampen the motion, the flag seemed to wave. No stars. The cameras were set for the bright lunar surface. Just like taking a photo on a sunny day on Earth, faint stars were washed out. No crater. The lunar module's engine was throttled down for landing, and the moon's compacted surface didn't allow for a dramatic crater. And then there's the mountain of proof. Over 8,000 photos, hours of video, and 382 kilograms of moon rocks verified by labs worldwide. High-resolution images from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter show Apollo landing sites, equipment, and even astronaut tracks still visible today. Independent radio tracking from countries like the Soviet Union, who would have had every reason to expose a hoax. Yet, despite overwhelming evidence, millions remain unconvinced. Polls show up to 20% of Americans, and even more in some countries, believe the moon landings were faked. Why does this myth endure? Is it distrust in government, the allure of the unknown, or simply the thrill of questioning the impossible? Conspiracy theories flourish when people feel powerless or distrustful. The moon landing is a perfect target. It's grand, it's public, and it's hard to verify for yourself. The moon landing hoax theories reveal more about us than about NASA. They are a mirror reflecting our doubts, our dreams, and our endless curiosity. So, what isn't NASA telling you? Perhaps only this: the truth is out there, written in the dust of another world, waiting for us to look up and decide what we believe.